Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can manage your faults from Nomad platform when you have an internal workshop. In this case, we can see here that we have some faults that has been reported through our pre-starts by our operators. To see all our faults in the platform, we just go into the faults page. Once we're here, we can just see all the faults that have been reported and haven't been closed out. In order to close a fault, in the case if you have an internal workshop, you can click on this Forms button and you can open the Forms platform in a new tab, copy the link, or also share the link. To share the link, you can just select a contact that is already in the platform, or you can also type in the phone number of your mechanic. The link that they're gonna receive in a text message is gonna lead them to the web platform. This platform is where they're gonna find any work orders, and also they're gonna have access to the full repair forms and the service forms. In this case, for a mechanic to close out a fault, they need to use a repair form. Here in the repair form, the platform is gonna ask them to select an asset. They just need to type in any asset that has a reported fault, and then the form is gonna show them which project it was, the readings of the assets, which one of the faults was closed, and also is gonna ask to provide extra information about the repair. They just need to fill all the required fields and submit it. Another case is that, for example, your workshop closed out the faults but didn't submit any repair form, or it was just like a minor repair. You can also click on the fault, review it, and change the status from pending to closed. Once you click that and save it, this fault is going to be marked as closed in the platform.